The top 10 things you need to know before going keto. Thinking about giving the ketogenic diet a try? People are using it not only to lose weight, but to feel more energized, sleep better, and improve their mental focus. Check out our 28-day keto challenge to get started. The keto diet is a top health trend because it works. But before you go all in, here are the top 10 things you should know. Number 1. Keto is more than a diet. You'll often hear people describe their keto diet as a lifestyle or way of eating. That's because, going off and off keto can mess up your metabolism and confuse your body. For keto to be effective in enhancing your health, helping you lose weight, and improving your mental focus, you must be consistent and make it a permanent lifestyle change. Number 2. Keto requires time. Keep in mind that slow and steady weight loss is healthier, more sustainable, and more likely to stay off. So be patient with yourself. Don't give up on the keto diet because you don't immediately see drastic weight loss. Number 3. Keto can be customized. The ketogenic diet, generally speaking, is 75% fat, 20% protein, 5% carbohydrates. Daily carb intake can vary, so if you're not losing weight or unable to get into ketosis, keep dropping your carbs until you achieve the results you want. Number 4. Ketosis varies by person. It can happen quickly for some, slowly for others. Some may do it only with diet. Some may need supplements. It's completely healthy to take keto drive to achieve ketosis faster or stay in ketosis. Number 5. The keto flu is normal. This can happen for 2 reasons. As your body switches from carb burning to fat burning, your brain may run low on energy, leading to nausea, headaches, and grogginess. You're dehydrated and low on electrolytes because the keto diet causes you to urinate more frequently. You can minimize the symptoms by drinking more water, and taking a scoop of keto drive to balance your sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Number 6. Keto bad breath is real. This is typically more noticeable when beginning a ketogenic diet. When your body switches to burning fat as its primary fuel source, your body starts producing ketones, which is released in the breath. To combat keto breath apart from good oral hygiene is to chew on mint, or sip mint tea throughout the day. Number 7. Watch out for keto farts. This is usually temporary and will resolve itself when the body adjusts to consuming higher amounts of fat. Number 8. Going keto can impact your workouts. You may lose some strength and endurance at the beginning. This is because your body is used to burning carbs for fuel, and it suddenly doesn't have that option anymore. As you adapt, you'll notice that your athletic performance will improve. Number 9. Keto can treat some medical conditions. The keto diet isn't just being used as a weight management tool. It has also been shown to treat patients who have cancer, heart disease, and also minimize seizures. Number 10. Eating keto doesn't have to be more expensive. Carbs are cheap fillers, so when you replace them with keto-friendly foods such as meat, cheese, and fresh vegetables, it's easy to assume your grocery bill will go up. However, due to how satiating the keto diet is, you'll find that you need less food to feel full. Get started. If you decide to move forward with the ketogenic diet, we congratulate you for taking this huge step toward improving your health. One effective way to kickstart your keto lifestyle is with the 28-day keto challenge. And download our chef-inspired keto recipes for delicious meals, snacks, and desserts. We hope you found this video to be entertaining and informative. Be sure to like, subscribe if you are new, and let us know if you will be taking up the challenge.